For this lesson, we're going to be learning about photoresistors. On page 26 of your booklet, it talks about photoresistors are light-sensitive variable resistors. As more light shines on the sensor's head, the resistance between its two terminals decreases. They're an easy-to-use component in projects that require ambient light sensing. So in your kit, find this little guy right here. This is a photoresistor. It's going to look like this. All right, we're going to wire up a very similar circuit as before. You have an LED, the 330 ohm resistor. Okay, so the LED again is in A1 and A2. The resistor is in B2 and B9. Your positive power, your 5 volts is going to 5 volts E1, and your negative ground is going to A10 to ground. So wire that up if you haven't done so yet. Okay. And then the photoresistor is going to go into E9 and E10. Yeah. And what you'll see is, hold on, let's make sure your legs of your photoresistor aren't touching. That's a close contact right there. You want to be able to use that. So there we go. All right, so you will see that your LED might be a little dimmer than usual. But check this out. If I cover the photoresistor, the LED gets dimmer. See that? So the sensor picks up the light. It allows more resistance, more electrons to flow through it. But when there's no light, it increases its resistance. Let's see, let me try something here. So I have a little flashlight. Let's see if I can make the LED brighter. Yeah, you see that? See the LED getting brighter? Yeah, that's how a photoresistor works. Alright, so wire up that circuit for this lesson.